Hello all, again Pradeep here from SNS Generation Hub. I'm again going to talk about this intellectual property rights. We'll go for a small glimpse about what all we had in the last two sessions. The first is like about the introduction, what is IPR and what is the importance of IPR. IPR is something like we are going to give some legal rights to the inventor or a creator to protect his or her invention or creation for a certain period of time. This period of time will be for 20 years. And this is an exclusive right to the creator or inventor to fully utilize his invention or creation for a given period of time. So, like they might be creating something or they might be inventing something that can be converted or commercialized and can be released in the market, and they can earn as much as possible. That sort of right will be given through this IPR. So what are the different types? Like I was telling you about, the most important one is like trademark, copyright, and the patents. Okay, the second one, what we are talking is like, what are the different types of intellectual property rights? Like, it's something like, so it is a creation or an invention. It has some novelty. It has a trademark, authorship, invention. These are the various combinations which comes under intellectual property. And what are the different types of intellectual property rights? I was telling you patents, trademarks, copyright, plant breeders' right, utility model design, geographical indication, and trade secrets. The patent is something like there are two different types. One is utility and design, which is majorly used. Process patent are there that is used by certain industries and institutions alone. Trademark is purely for logos. Copyright, it's for literary works, art, music, even dance, and for websites. If you need a copyright, it has to be physically verified. Only then you can go for a copyright. Plant breeders right is something like it is a combination. There might be some combination of two plants. The outcome will be something else, and that might be an invention. For that, they will go for this plant breeders right. Utility model and utility is something, product patents, we call it as utility patent, and design patent is something for the design, whatever we make for our own product. Geographical indication, it's like one particular region, this product will be done. And trade secrets, the most important one, that we'll see it separately today. Okay. So what is trade secret? See, trade secret is any practice or a process of a company that is generally not known outside of the company. See, you can see an image on the right side of the screen. So there you see access, instrument, advantage, privacy, confidential, formula, data, intellectual property, process, information protection, investment, business, knowledge. So it means what? See, if for a business, for example, we'll talk about a contracting company. Okay, for a contracting company. There might be lots of companies. We might have seen in the earlier movies and all. See, someone will take the contract copy and he will go and sell it to another competitor company, getting some money, bribe and all, right? So that can be prevented through this formula called trade secret. So if that is being violated, so the company can go for a legal action on that particular guy who has violated this trade secret. So information considered a trade secret gives the company a competitive advantage over its competitors, and it is a often product of internal research. See, when we go for some product development to the society, for example, we might be making a separate ingredient for a biscuit. So that is a trade secret for us. Even today, how many ever chocolates can come, people will go only for dairy milk. Correct? Dairy milk is the most lovable product by everybody. That is because of its own ingredients. That is the trade secret they maintain. That is why they have we don't know the ingredients, whatever. They might be putting some ingredients in the cover, but that not will be the perfect one. And then the combination items will be given, but the combination and what way it is being combined and all, it will not be provided. That is the business concept. That is their formula. You can see on the right side, it is a formula. It's a formula. That is called trade secret. When we come to business, um, they have to maintain some confidentiality. There will be some investment and all, like only top management people knows it, and it can be registered, and it can be kept under the protection of law. Okay, because there we have so privacy. There we have the privacy. Um, when we come about protection, so when we register ourselves under the law, so it means that we are being protected under the law. If someone is breaking that, definitely that we will be getting the royalty and other things from that. Even we can keep our process in the trade secret. Even we can keep our own IPR in the trade secret. It can be registered, and it can be kept under most secrecy, most secrecy. Okay. This is purely for the privacy and purely to maintain their own standard in the market, because research and development for an organization is the most important part, because when a company is coming to the market with a product, the same product will be launched by some competitors also. If the formula and other things are maintained properly, excuse me, sorry, if the formula data is pakka maintained, is pakka is kept as a trade secret, obviously they will be the leading runners of the leading winners of the market, leading winners of the market. Okay, thank you so much. And this is the end of my first unit of my IPR. I hope you all guys have enjoyed it. If there is any queries, please post me on the message. Thank you and good day. Bye bye.